Orcha is a town situated in the Niwari district of the Madhya Pradesh. It is basically present in the Bundelkhand region and it is established by the Rudra Pratap Singh in 1501.
There is a fort situated in the Orcha which is built by the Rudra Pratap Singh by the Bundela Rajput. The places and the temple within the fort was complex were built over a period of time by successive Maharajas of the Orcha estate.
There are many places inside the fort like Raj Mahal, Shiv Temple, Sheesh Mahal, Jahangir Mahal and other small places like this.
Rudra Pratap Singh is a Rajput ruler of the Bundelkhand. He is the first king of the Orcha to build the Orcha fort. The city was attacked by the Mughal army under the generalship of Shah Jahan. In early part of the 17th century, the Mughals gained reign over the city and ruled here till 1641 AD. All the attempts of the Marathas to rule over Orcha went in vain. And in the year 1783, Tehri was declared as the capital of Orcha. Orcha is a evergreen tourist destination as it has a historical moments as main attractions which can be visited anytime throughout the year. Still to enjoy than its adjoining nature and river rafting winter and springs are considered as best time to visit Orcha. Tourists prefer to visit Orcha from October to April as during the time climate remain cold and surrounding natural beauty of the Orcha remain at their best. Tiger Reserve at the central India are also remain open during the time that allow Orcha to be part of wildlife tour. In summer, Orcha and its nearby area like Khajuraho, Chanderi etc. remain hot along with dryness in the surrounding natural beauty. Ram Raja Temple is also known as the king of the Orcha. Madhukar Shah Judev was a devoted to Banke Bihari of Vrindavan, while his wife Queen Ganesha Kumari, also called Kamla Devi, was a devoted to Lord Ram. Orcha today stands as a testament to the valorous of the Bundela Rajput spread out on the bank of the Betwa river. This sleepy town has a superb sample of Rajput architecture in its many temples and places, being small in size and concentrated around the main fort. All important spots can be easily covered on